Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to apologize first, guys. It has been 1 week when I'm not posting anything, guys. I got a strike and I was stopped from posting on YouTube for 7 days, guys. This is due to my breastfeeding vlog. So today I want to start up my life, like what I eat, what I do with my baby. So that's what I'm going to be doing on a daily basis, how we move our life in our village life, because we are living in a village life, and I just want us to be doing that. So that I'm going to be making the most delicious food for my baby, and I'm just going to be showing you all the ingredients I'm going to be using step by step, and how I'm going to be making this food and how you can make it, and it looks very delicious the same way as I'm going to be doing it. You know, we are in a so you see, we are going to be making a matoke. Here's what we are going to make, a matoke. Then I'm going to be showing you, this is green banana and all the things I'm going to be cooking in the morning. So these are the things I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using tomatoes. We have a lot of vegetables here. We have green pepper. You see how small? No. We have the good ones here. We have the onions. We have the garlic. We have the carrot here, and we have the silver fish. Yeah, these small fish. So we're going to be using them. I'm going to be adding in as well egg pepper. Oh, we have avocado as well. So these are the things I'm going to be using while cooking my baby's breakfast. So guys, stay with me and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be cooking the breakfast. So it's going to be super delicious. So I'm going to be cooking with you guys. So I'm going to start with the peeling of the banana. You know, you always have to remove the outer layer, and we need only the inner layer. Banana, it's very good for the babies because remember, it's easily to digest, it's soft, and it's not going to make your baby uncomfortable. So this is the food I'm going to be making. So I'll start with the peeling of the banana. I'll peel them off. All I finish them. We have hens home. You know, we are living in a local life, so don't expect us to be having gas, sinks, and everything. So now, as you can see, my baby is having some itches. He wants to remove the shirt, so let me remove the shirt. Okay, the shirt is off. So now we are making the tea already. You can see the tea. I'm making the tea over here. Yeah, because you know he's always taking black tea. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be adding in the ingredients. So I'm going to start with the tomato. I'll add in the tomato. Okay, as you can see, you know that these fruits are like these ingredients are fresh. And I always do most of the things with my baby. You know, he's always disturbing me time to time. Everything I'm doing, he's always there to disturb me. So yeah, now I'm putting in the onions. So now the green pepper. So now, as you can see, all the ingredients are almost full in. So I'm going to add in the jellyfish, as I told you. This is a very important. They help to boost your baby's immune system. They help to, you know, he has some itches, so this is going to help him as well. These ones are very good. They are very good. They add a lot on your baby. So I'll just press it on the firewood. As now you can see. Okay, I'll add in water. There is no salt, there is no masala, there is no oil ready, but I'm hoping to put in some. Okay, as you can see, now I'll add some little bit of water. That's enough. Then I'll cover up. Okay, I have to add in more fire. As you can see, I have to make this fire. Now let us check and see. You see? It's almost ready. I told you. It's almost ready. You see? Hey, oh my god. So I'm adding in oil. As you can see, that's oil. Oh my god. It looks already delicious, yeah? We're adding in the salt next. Yeah, we have to be adding in the salt next. Yeah, you see the salt? Yeah. Okay, you see that? Okay, so I'm going to be adding in the powder, the curry powder. You see how it's turning to be super delicious, yeah? Oh my god, this food tends to be sweet, yeah? I told you I'm going to make the most delicious food here. Hey, you see? You see? Almost it's ready, you see? See how it looks nice, yeah? Okay, so you see how it looks nice, yeah? Okay guys, so our food is ready. Now it's ready for the baby to eat. Just 15 minutes when the food is ready. Breakfast. So now we are going to plan for the lunch. That was the breakfast. Now we are going to prepare lunch. Okay guys, love you all. If you like my video, drop your comments and anything you want to ask me, you can ask me. Love you all. Don't forget to drop your comments, likes and subscribe as well if at all.